Good day, everyone. So, welcome again to our math classroom with your teacher Dan. For today's video, we're going to study time measurement. So, converting from 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time and vice versa, 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. So, 12-hour clock time is represented by AM and PM, while 24-hour clock time, it is represented by H, which is read as R. Okay, so let's begin converting from 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. So from 12 midnight to 12:59 a.m. we're going to subtract 12 to get the 24-hour clock time. For example, 12:42 a.m., we're going to subtract it by 12. So 12:42 a.m. minus 12, you get 0.42 R. So that is, we can read that as 42 R. Okay, so that is from 12 to 12:59 a.m. Okay, the next one from 1 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. we're going to have straight conversion. Okay, so straight conversion, for example, 1 a.m., so that is 100 R, the same. 2 a.m., example 2 a.m., so that is equal to 200 R. Okay, so 5 a.m., so that is 500 R. 7 a.m., so that is 700 R. Example 9:30 a.m., so that is 930 R. Okay, so that is from 1 a.m. to 12 p.m. So from 1 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. Okay, so we're going to add 12. So from here up to here, we're going to add 12 to our 12-hour clock time to get the 24-hour clock time. Sample 1 p.m. plus 12, you got 1300 R. 2 plus 12, so that is 1400 R. And then 4 p.m., so that is 4 plus 12, you get 16, so 1600 R. Okay, for example, 4:35 p.m., so we're going to add 12 plus 12, you get 1635 R. So that is how we convert from 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. So let's proceed to 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. So from 0 hour, or that is 12 midnight, to 59 R, we're going to add 12. For example, 15 R adding 12 R, you get 12, 15, a.m. So that is the 12-hour clock time of 15 hour. Okay, so that is how we get from 0 hour to 59 hour. We're going to add 12. Last example, for example, 35 hour. So 35 hour plus 12, you get 12:35 a.m. Okay, so the next one from 1 a.m. to 12. Okay, so 12 p.m. we're going to have also the same straight conversion. Straight conversion. For example, 1 a.m. 100 hour, that is 1 a.m. Okay, sample 500 hour, so that is 5 a.m. 1000 hour, that is 10 a.m. Sample 10:45 hour, that is equal to 10:45 a.m. So here from 12 to 12:59, we're going to have the same, but we're going to put p.m. Sample state conversion then, but we're going to put p.m. So sample 12:59, 12:20 hour. So we just copy it, 12:20, and we're going to put p.m. Okay, so from here to here, that is state conversion, but it is not a.m. but p.m. So from here to here, we do straight conversion and we put a.m. Next, from 1300 hour to 2300 hour, we're going to subtract 12 to get the 12-hour clock time. For example, 1300 hour minus 12, that is 1 p.m. 1600 hour minus 12, that is equal to 4 p.m. 1900 hour minus 12, that is 7 p.m. For example, 2030 hour, that is minus 12, that is 8:30 p.m. So here 1725 hour minus 12, so that is 17 minus 12, that is 5:25 p.m. So that is how we find the 12-hour clock time and the 24-hour clock time. So thank you for listening. Have a good